For 90% of your customers, your website is the first point of contact they have with your brand, and it's how they determine whether your business is hot or not. Their expectations for a positive user experience, including website navigation, page load time, and mobile optimization, are fast becoming top of mind. This means that if your site fails to provide an adequately modern experience, your prospects will drop it like it's hot. So in this video, we'll help you keep up with your audience by comparing 2 ways you can use to optimize your site and rid you of your website woes. Hi guys, Liv here from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. So first up, let's have a look at traditional web design. To keep it real, traditional web design is the right option for some brands. Companies with booming marketing momentum and a dated website may choose to invest in a one-and-done development approach. If you've got more than 10,000 monthly visitors and crazy good marketing assets that don't include excessive paid search, then hey, traditional web design might just be made for you. But before you make a decision, let's have a look at the pros and cons of conventional web development. Let's start with the pros. First off, you've got finite timelines. You'll have peace of mind knowing when the project will start and the point in which it will be completed. Also, it's a familiar process. You've probably been through traditional web design before and you're comfortable with the process and the fact that there's only a single expense for a website that will take a few months to build. Next, the cons. There are really large upfront costs. Even though it's just a single expense, it's made upfront and as a result, it's usually quite hefty. Also, traditional web design doesn't account for change. Additional features or unforeseen requirements may create unexpected cost increases or extend the timeline past the set upon date. Also, if any changes are needed once the site is complete, you'll need to pay for those new features. Next up, results are not usually user-driven. The project will have a lot of input from the agency, the developer, and the client, but next to none from the actual user or their website interactions. Lastly, the final result is months away. Your best hope is that your visitors don't mind the under construction graphic on your website for a few months. So the next option is growth-driven design, or GDD. It's new to the party and it's a new way of approaching website development that seeks to reduce the associated headaches by reducing the overall risk. So let's have a look at why this approach to web design is so unique. First off, the pros. Number 1, the cost is spread out. Due to the nature of the process, there's no need for a large upfront payment. The total expense is paid in smaller increments each month. Also, there is a quicker initial launch. GDD uses a Launchpad website that can be quickly implemented, so you don't have to spend time on features that may or may not be relevant or useful to the user. Also, you've got user data dictates decisions. Due to the speed of the Launchpad process, you can start tracking user data ASAP. This gives you the opportunity to take both your goals and your users into account and find the best solutions for your website. You've also got learning and updating monthly. The quick launch also means that your site will continually improve each month, allowing it to easily adapt to new discoveries or unforeseen issues. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. On to the cons. It is an ongoing project. It may feel as though there's no real timeline set in stone in terms of deadlines, etc. Often having a continual monthly expense can be more daunting than just tackling a large payment at the beginning. Also, it's a new process. GDD is new, different, and to some, quite unfamiliar. Willingness and patience will be key as you learn the new process as the project progresses to your desired outcome. And there you have it. 2 website development options to ensure your website remains fetch in changing times. Now get going optimizing your website using an approach that's best suited to you. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone you know that needs a hand with their web design. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people just like Neighbourhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.